Now student, next lecture, lecture number 28. Topic S block elements, subtopic complex formation, tendency of S block element. Now this is the last point from this topic. First of all, what is meant by complex formation? Now here, metal form compounds with various ligands, and this compound is known as a complex, where metal get attached either with the negatively charged ions, that is anions, either with neutral molecules, we called as a neutral ligands. So it may form a compound with either negatively charged anions or neutral compounds, or such as ammonia, water, and that is called as a complex. So metal from S block elements, first A group, that is alkali metal. It is having less tendency to form complex ions. This is due to the large size. All of you know that first A group elements are bigger in size. So because of large size and low nuclear charge, they do not have much more tendency to form complex. So first A group element form having less tendency to form complex. Now this complex forming tendency or ability decreases down the group. That means lithium form compared to all other member of same group, it forms more complex compared with sodium, potassium, rubium and calcium. So calcium is from second A group elements. So these are the order where lithium form complex from first A group elements. Many stable compound of alkali metals are still known, though they do not have tendency to form complex. Still, they form a complex to a little extent. That means having less tendency. So, stable compound of alkali metals are unknown, which are mainly formed with chelating ligands such as oxygen. चिलेटिंग लिगॅन्ड्स म्हणजे असा लिगॅन्ड जो की एक क्लोज स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म करतो. बंदिस्त स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म जे करू शकतात, जे लिगॅन्ड करू शकतात, त्यांना म्हणायचं चिलेटिंग लिगॅन्ड. सो विथ ऑक्सिजन दिस फर्स्ट ए ग्रुप एलिमेंट दॅट इज अल्कली मेटल फॉर्म complex because this is because of oxygen is multi-dentate because it having two lone pair of electrons. The well-known example for this complex is crown ethers, which is a important class of complexing agent. For example, one of them is 18 crown 6 ether, to show that there are 18 atoms in the ring, out of which 6 are oxygen. फर्स्ट ए ग्रुप एलिमेंटचा सर्वात वेल नोन कॉम्प्लेक्स क्लास जो आहे तो आहे क्राउन इथर. त्यातलं एक एक्झाम्पल आहे 18 क्राउन 6. असे वेगवेगळ्या नावांनी क्राउन इथर्स हे कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म होतात बाय अल्कली मेटल्स. नाव 18 क्राउन 6 इथर स्ट्रक्चर. क्राउन हे नाव याच्यामुळे आहे की त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर क्राउन प्रमाणे असतं. 18 एलिमेंट्स असतात आणि त्यातले 6 हे काय आहेत, ऑक्सिजन आहेत, म्हणून त्याचं नाव आहे 18 क्राउन 6 इथर स्ट्रक्चर. इन दिस 18 क्राउन 6 इथर स्ट्रक्चर देयर इज अ होल इन द मिडल. त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं असतं तर मध्यभागी होल असतो, हॅव्हिंग डायमीटर अबाउट 2.7 एंगस्ट्रॉम. To this crown ether, suppose we add K plus ion. Now K plus ion having diameter 2.66 angstrom, which is near to 2.7 angstrom. That means त्या होलचं जेवढं डायमीटर आहे तेवढी साईज या के प्लस आयनची जवळजवळ तेवढी साईज असते. आणि म्हणून काय होतं, इट गेट फिट इन टू द होल इन दॅट क्राउन. म्हणजे त्या क्राउनच्या होलमध्ये तो काय होतो, फिट्ट बसला जातो. का तर दोघांचं डायमीटर जवळजवळ सारखं आहे. होलचं आहे 2.7 तर के प्लसचं आहे 2.66 एंगस्ट्रॉम. आणि म्हणून बिकॉज ऑफ सिमिलर डायमीटर, नियरली सिमिलर डायमीटर, K plus get fitted within that hole and get held by unshared pair of electrons which is present on the 6 oxygen atom. ऑक्सिजन ॲटम वरती लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन असते जी की फ्री असते. ही लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन त्या पोटॅशियमला पकडून ठेवते. बिकॉज ऑफ क्लोज फिट अँड बिकॉज ऑफ 6 ऑक्सिजन्स द K plus बाउंड व्हेरी टाइटली. म्हणून तो K plus अगदी फिट्ट जाऊन बसतो त्या होलमध्ये. द क्राऊन इथर इज नॉट सॉल्व्हंट बट इट होल्ड्स K प्लस टू द सेम फोर्सेस दॅट सॉल्व्हंट यूज. म्हणजे सॉल्व्हंटचा जो काही यूज आहे, जो काही रोल आहे, तोच रोल हा क्राऊन इथर सुद्धा प्ले करतो, परंतु तो सॉल्व्हंट नाही आहे, पण सेम फंक्शन played by the crown ether to that of solvent. Now this is the structure of 18 crown 6 ether. जर structure नीट पाहिलं तर this is CH2 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These are the 6 oxygen आणि हा आहे मधला होल. Now this 18 crown 6 allow to react with KCl where K get fitted within this hole and get tightly bound because of lone pair which is present on the oxygen. So because of lone pair present on 6 oxygen and nearly equal diameter, K plus get fitted within this hole. The crown ether are used as a phase transfer catalyst and they are very powerful. फेज ट्रान्सफर कॅटलिस्ट म्हणजे आयोनिक कंपाऊंडचं जी काही ऑर्गॅनिक फेज आहे तिला वॉटर फेजमध्ये ट्रान्सफर करणं, वाइस वर्सा. They are used to transfer ionic compounds into an organic phase, either from a water phase or more commonly from solid crystal. So this is the use of crown ether. The tanks of secondary group elements, म्हणजे alkaline earth metals, also form complexes with the crown and crypt ligands. So these are the class which is formed by the alkaline earth metals. A large number of complexes of alkaline earth metals are in the order. Calcium form more number of complex compared with magnesium. Magnesium form more than strontium and it is form more than barium. So complex formation tendency goes on decreasing from calcium to barium. So top to bottom, complex formation tendency of alkaline earth metal going to be decreases. A large number of complexes of calcium and magnesium 2 plus occurs naturally. For example, chlorophyll, which is an example of Mg2 plus. So please keep in mind there is in objective there is a question on which element is present in chlorophyll. So answer is magnesium 2 plus. So this is about the complex formation tendency of S block elements. So compared with D block element, S block elements form having less tendency to form complexes. Now this is the structure which gives idea about the crown ether. Now here the middle there is a hole and negative charge get gathered around this hole. So this is the clear cut structure about crown ether. Now this is the overall view of alkali metal, its complex formation behavior. Alkali metals form having less tendency to form complex or weak complexing ability. The reason is behind that the small size and there is no empty available is orbital in case of S block elements. That's why because of a small size and has no empty orbital, they are having less tendency to form complexes. Still there are complexes which contain water molecule are available and that is called as a aqua complexes, and these are the example which is known of lithium and cesium. Now still nowadays important development in the field of alkali metal takes place which discover the complexes with cyclic ether and cryptands, cryptates, which is also called as cryptates. That is these are the another class of complexes of alkali metals. Now these contain microcyclic molecule which containing nitrogen and oxygen. Now this is a comparison of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Alkali metals are soft whereas alkaline earth metals are harder than alkali metal. Alkali metal show +1 oxidation state, it show +2. Their carbonates are soluble in water except Li2CO3, whereas carbonates of alkaline earth metals are insoluble in water except lithium. Alkali metals do not form complex compounds. Lithium form complex compound. All alkali metals can form complex compound.